Hello and welcome. Today we will see how to download and install Prism GraphPad for research data analysis. So first of all, we will search for the Prism GraphPad, Prism GraphPad free download, and we will click on this first Prism free trial, and here we will type our email address. I will be using this email address. Please make sure you have corrected the right email address. There is no spelling error. Otherwise, you will be not be able to install the Prism successfully. And once it is inputted, we will keep get started. And it will require us to fill up a form. I will fill up this form. My first name, I will keep my first name. Raise organization, I will just give it self. Since I am using for my own purpose, I will give my country here, Bangladesh. You will give yours. Choose a password. It needs to be a strong one. I will give my own. You have to give your own. Says the password has to be 12 to 72 characters. Okay, I will just elongate it. Yeah. Now here, it's done. Now, yes, it is the first time. Statistics, analysis, or graphing, I will be giving both since I will be using for both. What is your current role? I will give a student and get started. And once the form is filled up, we will be directed to another website from where we can download the GraphPad or Prism. So we can see that based on our this email address, it has given us a subscription ID, and we can also see the installers for the Mac and also for the Windows. Since I'm using Windows, I will click the Windows installer. Those who you are using Mac, choose a download Mac installer. Okay, I have downloaded the Windows installer and it is downloading, and we will wait until it gets fully downloaded, and then we will go for the installation process. So we can see that our Prism installer has been successfully downloaded. And one thing we need to notice here, after we have installed the Prism, we have to sign in with our email address here. You can see it is shown here, email, sign in, name, user license. Okay, we will follow this step. But now we will install the Prism by the installer. So we can see from the download folder, the installer is here, and we'll double click on it to install it. So it says, do you want to allow this app? Yes, we want to allow this app, and it will start installing. We can see that it is now selecting folders to where it is going to be installed. We'll click install. It is installing. Almost done. I think it is installed, and we can see our Prism has opened also, but it will require us to sign in with our email sign in, just like shown in the website. You can see, so we have to sign in with the email address. We'll go to the email interface, and we'll select the email sign in just like showed in the website, and it requires us to give the email address. We will give the email address which we have signed in or fill up the form. This is not the email address I was using. I was using this one. I have to type it. So here is my email address. I'll just check it once more again to see if it's okay. It's okay. I will click continue, and it requires us to input the password or enter the password we have given when we have fill up the form. We have to give the exact password, otherwise it won't start. So it is processing all the credentials. It should be activated now. You are all set. You are now ready to use all the benefits included with your GraphPad Prism subscription. Start using Prism. So this will allow us to use the Prism GraphPad for our analysis. So welcome to GraphPad Prism. You can see it. Get started. We'll minimize this one. We'll cancel. So this is how you can successfully download and install Prism for 30 days for free. In the next upcoming video, I'll be showing you how you can analyze your data, make graphs and statistic analysis. So please do subscribe to my channel for the next upcoming video. Thank you. Bye bye.